Hello mga kabebe! Welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and click the bell button para ma-notify ka sa aking upcoming videos. Mga kabebe! Welcome back to my channel! Today's episode guys, I'm gonna be sharing to you what I've been discovered this past few days. So stay tuned! So, ayan guys. First po is yung ating cookies in microwave. So, meron po tayong melted butter. Mix po natin yung ating sugar. So, I'm using brown sugar here. And next po is yung ating fresh milk. And combine lang po natin sila. I-mix lang po natin hanggang mag-dissolve na po yung ating mga ingredients together. And after po nito guys, next po is i-add na po natin yung ating all-purpose flour. Pag ko po nilagay yung all-purpose flour guys, sinif ko po muna ito para maging mas smooth po talaga yung texture ng ating cookies. So ayan, nag-add po ako ng baking soda. Yes, para po pampaalsa po ng ating cookies. And imimix lang po natin sila hanggang dissolve na rin po yung ating flour. And next po is naglagay po ako ng chocolate chips. Bali, depende po ito guys. It depends po kung anong gusto nyong gamitin. In this recipe po is gumamit po ako ng dark chocolate ng Toblerone. So, ihalo lang po natin siya ng ihalo hanggang maging ganito na po yung texture ng ating mixture. So, ayan. Looks like cookies na po talaga ito. And after po natin siyang halu-haluin is i-mold na po natin siya gamit yung ating mga kamay. So of course, nagugas po muna ako bago ko po hawakan ito. So don't worry guys. So ayan, after ko po siyang i-mold, gagawin ko po siyang parang cookies, as in cookies po talaga. And then, nilagay ko lang po siya sa parchment paper. And after po nito is ilalagay ko na po siya sa microwave. And then, lulutuin lang po natin siya sa microwave for about 2 to 3 minutes. And after that, may cookies na po tayo. So, stay tuned! So, this is it guys. Luto na po yung ating cookies. And after po ninyong tanggalin sa microwave guys, para migin lang po ninyo ng about 10 to 15 minutes para mas maging thick po yung texture ng ating cookies. Pero depende rin po sa inyo guys kung gusto niyo na pong kainin agad pagkalabas lang po sa microwave. Pero kung gusto niyo po na maging crunchy po ito, wait nyo na lang po na lumamig po yung inyong cookies. So, ayan. Napakadali po at napakabilis po. Kung nag-crave po kayo ng cookies, pwede nyo na pong gawin ito by yourself. So, enjoy watching! And to our next recipe guys, we're going to make sponge chocolate cake using microwave. So, cooking time is only 3 to 4 minutes and napakadali rin po nitong gawin. So, our ingredients is the melted butter with dark chocolate. So, I'm still using dark chocolate Toblerone, and it depends guys if you want to use another brand of chocolate, it's okay. Optional naman po siya. So, i-mix lang po natin siyang mabuti until maging ganito na po yung texture ng ating melted butter and chocolate. And after this guys, is next na po yung ating all-purpose flour. So, I'm using sieve para maging mas smooth po yung texture na kalalabasan ng ating sponge cake. And add ko na rin po yung sugar and a pinch of salt. And after this guys, next po is i-mix lang po natin silang mabuti. And after po natin ma-mix is i-pour na po natin yung ating melted chocolate. And after that, next po yung ating fresh milk. And mix lang po natin ulit sila until maging smooth po yung texture ng ating mixture. And after that guys, pwede na po siyang iluto. So, pour it in a small container or any container na gusto po ninyo with parchment paper. And put it in the microwave for at least 3 to 4 minutes po. So, sobrang dali lang po nito guys. Kung nakikrave po kayo sa cake, so pwede na po siyang gawin mag-isa sa inyong mga tahanan. So, stay tuned lang po kayo guys dahil meron pa po tayong isa pang next recipe. So, enjoy watching! And for our last recipe guys, we're going to make chocolate brownies using microwave. So, the ingredients is almost the same with the sponge chocolate cake and also the procedure. Parehas lang po sila. But then, ang pagkakaiba lang po is mas konti lang po kasi yung ginamit nating milk dito sa ating brownies. So, mas dry po siya ng konti kesa dun sa ating sponge cake. So, ayan, gagamit din po tayo dito ng all-purpose flour, sugar, and a pinch of salt. And then, we're going to mix it well. And after that, guys, pag maging smooth na po yung texture ng ating mixture, i-pour lang po natin ulit siya sa ating container with parchment paper. And after that, is ilagay po natin siya sa microwave for at least 3 minutes. So, mas mabilis po siyang lutuin kesa po sa ating sponge cake. So, it depends din po sa inyo guys. Pwede naman po kayo mag-experiment with your own. Ito po kasi is through my own observation. So, nag-experiment ko po talaga ito. And then, ganito po yung kinalabasan ng aking mga experiment foods. So, ayan, kung nagkikrave po kayo sa brownies, cookies, and cakes, pwedeng-pwedeng na po siyang gawin using microwave. So, sobrang dali lang po niyang gawin. And the ingredients is sobrang konti lang din po. So, what are you waiting for guys? Pwedeng-pwede na po kayong gumawa ng sarili ninyong sarili ninyong cake, brownies, and cookies. So, I hope nag-enjoy po kayo guys sa panonood and I hope na may mga natutunan rin po kayo sa akin. So, of course, sharing is caring. So, thank you for watching guys! Ayun lang guys, thank you for watching and more hugs and kisses. God bless everyone and see you in my next vlog. Bye!